expert projections in the housing market for the rest of this year and next year. So thanks for coming back to this channel where you get up-to-date market information and data so you can make your real estate goals. So we look at last week that rates went down to 5% last week. That's a little bit of a decline from the previous couple weeks. And so these projections were actually made before that happened. So the mortgage rate projections, we can see that 3 of the 4 indicate that the rates are going to go down next quarter and the next year. The National Association of Realtors is the only one that thinks that they're going to stabilize. The average of the 4, the rates are going to go down next year. As I said, they were not aware that the rates were going to decrease to 5% this last week, and so their projections were what they were in July. They would remain stable from this year. Anyway, the home price forecast, 7 of the forecasters' average is 10%. This is a change from January. They were at 5% in January, then went to 9%. The second quarter, and now they're at 10%. That's what they project, ranging between 2.7 and 6% growth for the whole year. Mark Zandi, chief economist of Moody's Analytics, says, "I don't think housing prices will decline in a meaningful way, but there will be some price declines, for sure, in the asking prices." And so the number of sales, number of closed escrows, the projections are that the number of closed escrows this year will be less than the last 5 years, obviously because of the rates. And the projections for total home sales, including new homes and resale homes, changed. In January, these 3 indexes, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and the Mortgage Broker Association, were higher here in purple, and now they've decreased their projection based on the market. Okay, from January to July, the projections are decreased. So what matters is what do you think? What's best for you? Some people ask me what I think, and so I'll just give you my opinion. Doesn't mean this is what it is, but this is my opinion and why. So I think the home prices are going to stabilize the rest of the year. Looking at the closed escrows, the closed escrow prices aren't changing. So I don't think that they're going to be changing the rest of this year, unless there's a big rise in rates or a big drop in rates. Okay. I think the rates are going to decrease next year to 4%. I think home prices are going to increase. That's what I believe. I believe that because in other recessions, the interest rates have decreased. And the 6 other recessions that you decreased, they've decreased by an average of 2.21%. So an average decrease of 1 to 1.5% is a conservative estimate compared to in previous historical time periods where this has happened. And so, as I've shared with you before, typically home prices increase in a recession because the rates are dropping. And so I think that's going to happen. So here's what can happen for you if you are thinking about buying. What matters is your financial situation, if you are actually able to and financially comfortable doing so. So if you do buy a property right now and the rates drop, the prices are going to go up. The home price expectation survey says they're going to go up 4.2%. So if you buy a property right now with a 5% interest rate, home prices go up 4.2%, which means it goes up to $834 from $800. If the rates drop it to 4%, that might even raise the prices even more. But if the rates drop, you can always refinance. And so what you're going to have is a house with equity here. You have you owe less than what it's worth, and you're going to have a lower payment than what you're going to be paying right now. So that's a real possibility. I'll keep saying it until I hope I don't hope I'm proven wrong, but I hope more people take advantage of what I see. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the chat or comment in the bottom of this video. And if you have real estate goals, seriously, and you would like a free, no obligation consultation, I'll give you what I've got. We can go on a Zoom, we can talk on the phone, we can meet in person, and help you get to what you want to get. If you have any other questions, comment in the chat. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.